Hi guys, my dad's helping me with my school project. I'm sanding this.
Yeah.
This is for the switch, battery, and the buzzer.
And the light.
And the light.
Yeah.
We're gonna spray this red.
Yeah.
A few minutes.
And it's a circuit you're building, right?
Yes.
It's a little game where you have to
try not to make
not
the
to
light
touch the
go
wire.
on.
Okay. Okay.
See you.
Right. How far are we, Najair?
Well, we prepared the box.
Yeah.
We countersunk the holes
For the screws.
for the
Okay.
screws, and we're gonna put the box together. See
Okay.
you in a bit. The box is now built.
Yeah.
This is just the idea. The switch must be here.
Yeah.
The light must be here, and the buzzer must be here.
Okay.
We're gonna paint it in a bit though.
Okay. Cool. What color are you gonna spray it?
Red.
Well done. Okay. It's looking nice.
Yeah.
Nice. Good job, buddy.
Is that?
Alright, how are we doing, Najair?
We painted the box
Yeah.
red. We put in the switch,
Yeah.
the light,
Yeah.
and the buzzer.
Okay.
And now we're gonna put in the battery.
Yeah. And did you test those before
we
you
did.
put it in?
The light turned on and the buzzer buzzed.
Okay, cool.
We'll see you a week later. I'm almost done with my project.
Okay.
All the cables are, well, we are gonna connect it
In a minute,
in
yeah.
a minute. I just wanna show you it.
Yeah. Turn it around. Show us how the box looks. The front of the box. Okay, so you've got your switch there, you've got your light, and you've got your buzzer. Your battery is inside. And then you'll show us how you connect it and you'll run a test. Well, what's that then?
It's my notes and
Okay.
how
The diagram.
the diagram.
Okay, fantastic. Alright, so your connections are done.
Let's do it then.
Okay.
If I touch the wire,
Yes.
then it will make a beep sound and
Okay.
the light will turn red.
Okay.
Let's
So right, switch it on.
do it.
Touch it by accident. Whoa!
Like
whoa.
that?
Yeah, show us. Yeah. Okay, good.
Like that. I must try not to
touch it, yes. That's the aim of it. But touch it so that we can see that it is working. Okay, well done.
Oh no.
Good, good.
That was
good.
a loud one.
Yeah.
And